pull it up. You got it. Shoot it strong, confidently. That's that simple. Let's see you knock it down now. Hashtag Niko Powe. This is how to shoot a basketball. Okay, so what is three-point position? That is when the ball is passed to you and you catch it ready to go. What am I gonna do here? Am I gonna dribble? Am I gonna pass it? Or am I gonna shoot? Now, what I like to do is start with some really easy shots, build the confidence up. So start making it. I like to start by using the glass first and then work away from that.
List in one day, something I didn't even plan for, but we pray. Now they say, what's a Christian doing in Las Vegas?
You can work into the exercise
they want me
without
back
using
in these cages of working these minimum wages. Not going platform on the platform when they dreaming of stages. 5 times they said it's not for you, but we on for you pay. Reese's peanut butter cup commercials, but they calling me outrageous. But you cool with COVID, rolling back.
Go to the free throw line and stretch your game out.
With the free throws, we're just getting that nice repetition. They are free throws, meaning free shots. You're not gonna get many in the game at all. So we need to really make these. And it's starting to rain a little, but we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Start by making 5. Short, it was a short shot. That was the miss on it. Anticipating already. Let's make it. That's 5. That is 5. Can we get 5 in a row? That is what a goal we should push for. Okay. So you got your free throw reps in. Let's move on to mid-range. Now, let's get it. Good, y'all. Thank you. Oh, I missed. I do. See? I do. That was the elbow. Wow, we missed. I just practiced a lot. What's going on, guys? I'm just shooting. I'm making a video on how to shoot a basketball. You make a couple shots for me? You'll make this shot if you follow through, spread your fingers like this, and follow through on the shot. Now, what he didn't do is bend his knees. Now, bend your knees this time. Shoot it strong, confidently. That's that simple. Let's see you knock it down. Hashtag Niko Powe. This is how to shoot a basketball. Let's get to the 3. Hey, I'm shooting a video for YouTube. All you gotta do is check it out. It's how to shoot a basketball for beginners. So for real, Niko Powe. That's where you can find it.
Hey, your name Niko?
Yeah. Now the shot a lot of people fall in love with, the 3-pointer. Let's go. Thank you. I got another one. Thank you. Follow, subscribe for more. Y'all gotta do that, man. Let's get it. Bang. Come on, y'all. This is how to shoot a basketball. Anybody could do this. Jelly, huh?
So this has been How to Shoot a Basketball Part 1. Met some new friends out here too. So, and they put buckets in, you see it. So it's all real, all proof. Follow, subscribe for more. Leave a comment what you thought was useful, what may not have been to you. But we're gonna do some more. This is just basic how to shoot a basketball. You can be a star if you get the basic fundamentals, follow through when you shoot. Let's do it. Hit me up, leave me a comment. We're gonna see you on the next one. Basketball players, fitness people, let me know what y'all want to see. We're gonna try to help you while we had the ability to. Injuries do come, but injuries do go as well. So let me know what you're trying to do. We do this at a high level. If you want to do that, let's do that. If not, you just want to learn some basic shots, we can do that too. So we gone, that's what we do out here. And we're gonna see you on the next one. All right, I need y'all's name for the video if you want to be in it. What's your name? Ashton? Dustin? Tell them what's up. Say, what's up? It's Dustin. You see me hit my shots. What's your name, buddy? Giovionni. So we met them. They out here hitting buckets. We was doing how to shoot a basketball. I believe anybody can do it if they're willing to try and put it out there on the line. So hopefully we see you next.